Building owners and facility managers know that the onus is on them to conduct the required monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, and annual inspections of their sprinkler systems. This can be a daunting task, regardless of the size of a facility or family of buildings. If the fire marshal shows up at your facility and you cannot provide evidence of this testing, or they find a fire code violation, the consequences can be devastating to your operation. Not only will your facility be at an increased risk of fire, your insurance company can use the failure to justify denying your claim, and your entire operation can be shut down until the problem is solved. One of the best ways to avoid neglecting your sprinkler system or committing a fire code violation is by adding CriticalAsset to your facility's management team. CriticalAsset will allow you to see all of your fire safety assets in one easy-to-use digital floor plan dashboard, including pertinent documents, service and testing history, and exact locations. Use CriticalAsset to comply with the documentation requirements of your next fire inspection and help the fire marshal locate all of the assets they need to inspect. You will also be able to instantly note all issues and violations found during your inspection, so your team can immediately solve the problem. Never sweat a fire inspection again with CriticalAsset. Schedule your free 30-minute demo today. www.criticalasset.com